What's up, guys? Day one today for this summer's motorcycle trip. I'm right north on Highway 25 in eastern Washington. It's riding right now next to the Wenatchee River. I got a room booked for the night in Kettle Falls. I left my house this morning at about 8, 321 miles into my day today. I'm heading towards Glacier National Park. Planning on going through there Monday. The park, because it's so busy during the summer, has now implemented a system where you have to reserve your ticket to go through the Going to the Sun Road 3 days in advance, and they're only giving out 375 a time. So I got up this morning and got on the internet and I got one secured. All 375 of them went within a minute. So I'm pretty lucky that I got mine. I'm gonna stay in Libby, Montana tomorrow, which is I think about 2 hours ride, hour and a half ride to get to the entrance of Glacier National Park. But Libby, you can still get a pretty decent place for $70 a night. Everywhere right outside of Glacier National Park is in between like $300 and $500 just for like a regular like Best Western hotel room, like not luxury hotel at all. It's just so expensive because of that national park right there. So that's kind of my goal there. The rest of the trip, I really don't have a super solid set in concrete plan, other than just kind of get up and look at the map and see which way I want to go. If anything, I'll probably plan 2 or 3 days ahead, depending on whether it's a weekend or not. I'm going towards busier national park. But anyway, that's where we're at right now, getting started, going up Highway 25. Check in with you guys later. And my goal is to do a better job this year of doing daily check-ins and see what's going on out there. Yeah, if you like it, enjoy the next couple of days. I'm just pulling in, or just went past the little town or whatever of Rice. See, there's wildfire burning up there, and been a couple of helicopters flying over dumping water on it. One of them just kind of went overhead. Oh wow, yeah, look at that, whole hillside's been burned away. Yeah, way over there, there's a helicopter flying. Yeah, I hope I don't get stuck in that. Otherwise, up until now, so this is the first sighting of any kind of wildfire I've seen. The air so far has been really nice and clear, so hopefully I get out of Washington before things get too bad around here. I wonder what started that. Too far up the road for somebody throwing a cigarette, I guess. Maybe if somebody's burn pit got out of control or something. I don't know. Alright, pulling into the town of Coolville. I see a cell tower. a grocery store. Yeah, looks like they got everything I need. Perfect. Yeah, let's see. I got an AutoZone and an O'Reilly's. I got my tire pressure monitors. Either they're not working right or the gauge that I have with me isn't working right. I've gone through this before. I don't know if it was the altitude I went through today that was screwing it up or what. But, yeah, it's saying I'm at 39 PSI in the back. I checked it earlier, it said it was at 42. Or 43. I guess it don't matter. A cool little town. Radio Shack. Yeah, let's see, 360 miles into the day. Yeah, that's about as far as I like going in one day. Got myself checked into my room. Good. Bed, TV, little microwave or a fridge, microwave, and bathroom. Good honest room. Had dinner of grocery store chicken and some veggies, and I'm not sure how I do it, but within 12 hours I made a total disaster.